it can be for the weather. These three things are clear to you, yes or not? And what are the things can be utilized? Yes, there will be transponder and camera. Understood it? But you know that the camera cannot take large, very precise picture. He will be able to take the picture of very large area. So this is for the geo that we little bit come to know about. I am not discussing. अभी भी मैंने start ही नहीं किया. I have to start right now Leo. जब मैं Leo start करूँगा, then I have said earlier that I will take in so much in better way and in a detailed way, so that nothing, every question in the prelims and the mains can be what I said that attempted by you. So GEO का एक better idea दे दिया कि there will be a transponder. The job of transponder, you know that it is receiving the signal and transmitting the signal, receiver plus transmitter. Now if I am coming to the it is a earth, and if I have to see the LEO, if I have to see the low earth orbit, and here the camera, if I say that this is the earth, and if the camera is in the, there it is camera in the low earth orbit. So this camera should take a picture, I said again, this camera should take a picture with precision, take picture with precision and high resolution, so that where is the iron ore reserve below the earth, who is assessing all this camera, their rays are able to enter into the earth soil. अभी भी मैंने कुछ पढ़ाना स्टार्ट नहीं किया. earth soil में it will be able to enter, and another it can be able to enter anywhere it is a earth soil. They will also find the underground water. Who will? In the, if it is India and the western coast, how much, where is the fishing zone, where it is, I said that how much mineral resource in the coastal area of Mumbai, that is Mumbai High, you know that petroleum reserve. So here their satellites are working, okay. And if I say that just I am trying to connect that whatever you study, it is for the civil services, for the administration, for the, I said that society, their economic aspects. So if I say that, suppose you understand with the help of pictures, listen me carefully, with the help of picture you understand this is mountain, this is plateau, this is plain. And the road construction and railway transportation generally takes place in the plain area. Yes, the plain area it takes, instead of mounting up the mountain and getting down, it is not the correct way of transportation. Large amount of energy will be lost. Understood? That cannot be. They usually used to move in the plain area. Otherwise, if in the there is in a mountain, there should be a mountain gap. Passes should be there. Otherwise, we should create the passes by blast and breaking it. Understood? Like I said that if we are going to Mumbai, with the National Highway 3 or something, there is a Thal Ghat gap. So from there, Thal Ghat gap, we enter towards Thane. So there is in the Western Ghat, there is gaps are there. So you know that even the transportation network needs better clear picture of topography. So topography, यदि मुझे चाहिए, if I need the better picture of topography, who will take the picture of this topography? The satellite. It is in the, what I said, the low earth orbit, and this is a remote sensing satellite. And on the basis of that, we'll create road transportation, railway transportation, road transportation, railway transportation, yes or not? So many things I can do. Therefore, best camera should be below too high resolution with the best rays quality, yes or not? High resolution. So, and if I have to be medium, not better camera, miss better, not better picture, not miss good picture and good area to be covered, then the good picture and good area to be covered, then I will put it into medium earth orbit. And in the medium earth orbit, that is 8,000, 2,000, they will cover little large area, not very large area. And also, so in the medium earth orbit, camera plus transponder, camera plus transponder. This is clear to you? Suppose United States, suppose Canada, थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा आप लोग, everyone. Yes, GEO is none for INSAT and GSAT satellites, and these are telecommunication satellites. These are telecommunication satellites. बेटा अभी तो मैंने कहानी स्टार्ट करी है. I have to go for 5 days. Right now the story has been started. You keep on asking the question, but beta I'll ask you to ask the question at the end. Now I said listen my word very carefully, everything should be clear. I said if I have to, my question is there, Canada and Russia. थोड़ा सा पूरा मैं अभी डीप में नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं I am just making you to understand it little bit. I said perhaps all of you know that this is our earth, it is equator, and this is, suppose this is a 20-degree latitude. Suppose a person name is Ram, Rahim, whosoever you can think. He is on the 20-degree latitude in his car. The car must be around you can say that 4 meters, 3 meter. Truck can be of 6 meters, something like this, yes or not? And 20-degree latitude, listen me, 20-degree latitude. So I need one satellite for finding your one satellite for at which latitude, listen me Kyol. And it is at in the USA, suppose I said that it is at 100-degree west longitude. So for finding out 100-degree west longitude, I should have another, those who can see the vertical. I said second satellite I need for finding your y axis, or better to say that longitude. Now with the help of 20-degree north latitude and 100-degree west longitude, I can say 20-degree longitude means all this line, but I said that 20-degree latitude and 100-degree west longitude, it means you are here, x axis and y axis. The one satellite for finding x axis, another satellite is for finding y axis, and both are intersecting. So the two satellite can find you, your car is, your truck is here, your train is here, your car, your truck, your train is here. Getting my point? Your car, your truck, your train is here, your ship is here in the ocean. With the help of latitude, with the help of longitude. Now one thing I need to know, you are at the plain, you are in the plateau, you are in the mountain, at which height? Your truck is moving in the mountain, your truck is moving in the plain, your truck is moving in the plateau, or your ship is moving in the, I said that, in ocean. So for finding out at what height you are, I should have third satellite. It is for finding height. And what is the height, what is the length of a truck? Maybe 6 meter. What is the length of a aircraft carrier ocean, INS, Indian National Navy, something ship is there, aircraft carrier, Vikramaditya. Suppose INS Vikramaditya. If its length is 200 meter, so which satellite to find out 200 meter length, 200 meter length of a ship, 6 meter length of a truck or car, who will take this picture, x axis, y axis and height? It will be those who will take this picture. Please beta, just I am asking you one question, just interact me. मैं आपको 6 दिन में I'll make you the Pandit, and any question in the prelims and mains will never be left. Please follow me, it's a request. My question is, I have a truck, I have a car, I have a ship. So such large area picture can be taken by satellite in the medium earth orbit, or better to say that low earth orbit and GEO. Yes, tell me. Yes, beta, interact. Who will take this picture? Yes, everyone, I am asking to take the picture of a truck, ship, train. Yes, tell me. It is in which orbit? It is in which orbit? Yes, GEO वाला ले सकता है, but GEO वाला तो हर चीज का ले सकता है, लेकिन क्वालिटी उतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी. If I am talking about MEO, truck के लिए MEO, cyclone is what you know that weather, it is 100 of kilometers. That picture will be better GEO. Yes or not? I can teach you geography, I can teach you history, I can teach you economics, but I am better in which one? Science and tech. I have a knowledge of so many things, but I can take better one. So who is better in that area? So if I say that, if it is a truck, if it is a sheep, if it is an, I said that truck, sheep, railway, who will be able to take the picture? Low earth orbit, medium earth orbit. तो उसकी पिक्चर के लिए who will be the better truck? मुझे, you know that low earth orbit, IRS is for inches. IRS is made for what? I have to take the very precise. Oh, there is this soil, in the soil this much of moisture. IRS satellite, any satellite in the low earth orbit, he can find out, yes, you know that soil, moisture in the soil. So why should I utilize this satellite? This satellite is made for some other purpose. Their camera is for some other purpose. Getting my point? Yes or not? Every camera has a different purpose. So if it is there, if I have to take the picture of truck, train, sheep, who will be? Truck, train, it will be, I can take from the low earth orbit, I can take from the GEO, but better to say what? Medium earth orbit. There is no difficulties will be there. And for finding out a truck, for finding out a sheep, for finding out a railway, for finding out a boat, I should have one satellite for finding out which one? Yes, tell me. One satellite for latitude, one satellite for longitude, and one satellite for height. Yes or not? Yes or not? And one satellite at what time you are here for accuracy. With accuracy you are here exactly. Suppose you are in Mumbai, Maharashtra, your car, your truck, you are moving in the truck, in Maharashtra, Mumbai. So their latitude, their longitude, and it is in a western Ghat part, or it is in the plain area in the coastal of Konkan coast you are moving. So I need 3 satellites for finding out latitude, longitude, height, and at what exact time. I need 4 satellites. I need with accuracy. I am talking about with accuracy. Can I say that in the medium earth orbit, position, your position, at what time, and where your truck is moving, the sheep is moving, railway is moving, means navigation. Position, time and navigation. Position, time and navigation I am talking about. Position, time. P for position, N for navigation, T for time. So I need 4 satellites for finding you are in the truck, you are in the sheep, you are anywhere. So this is known as navigational satellite. So in the medium earth orbit, I need which one? I said that which satellite will be there? Navigation satellite, and the navigation means what is your position, in which direction you are navigating, and at what time you are there. Understood? Position, navigation, time. Position, navigation, time. Then I can say that there is a GPS system of USA. अभी भी मैं पढ़ाना स्टार्ट नहीं किया, just I am interacting with, making your interest, I am entertaining you guys that science and tech is not hard, not for the engineer, not for the science background, not for the even humanity background students. You have to understand in the form of story, logics. First day I have said that logic you need. GPS system is a navigational satellite of USA moving in the medium earth orbit. GPS system of global positioning system of USA, who has, there is an, I said that camera, and what I said that transponder. Navigation means I said that it is keep on giving I said that your frequencies, transponders. And another one that I can say, that GPS is clear to you, it is of USA. And Galileo is also navigation satellite of European Space Agency, Galileo, and it is the whole global world, Another it is I said that Russia is having also satellite who is covering the whole world, and its name is GLONASS, Global Navigation Satellite System, Global Navigation Satellite System, GLONASS, GLONASS, that is of Russia. That is of Russia, and it is again in the medium earth orbit. And another one I said, another one if I am talking about it, there is an I said that BDS, it is in a BDAW satellite system, BDAW satellite system, BDS system, it is of China. All are in medium earth orbit, and all are covering the global level, means whole world they are covering, whole world they are covering. I have to do GPS in the different way also, but Indian navigational satellite which is going to come, I will discuss later, IRNSS. I can't discuss it right now because your base is not clear. Okay, so I am just preparing your base. That is also known as NAVIC. It is an IRNS, Indian Regional Navigational Satellite System. I am not doing right now. I have just said that there is something in the low earth orbit, there is something in the medium earth orbit, and there is something in the what I said that geosynchronous earth orbit. Whatever I am teaching you, it's a request, just concentrate on it. Do not go here and there. Beta, India is right now using GPS. In the coming time, we will use IRNSS. One thing I can say that, listen me if you can understand, in 1999 when the Kargil war was taking place, and India asked US GPS system to give the navigation image of position of the Pakistan enemy and their troops, Pakistan troops, give the picture. So at that time USA denied, in 1999 USA denied, therefore India has started their own satellite system, and probably in 2020 this year we will, but we are using GPS, but in the USA aspect has changed. At present the way that it is our relations are there, it is different, but in the 2020 and it is a topic I will have to take IRNS separately. We will be able to in our apps, or now in our apps what is there? GPS, but later on NAVIC will come in our app, and our positioning will be detected by, it is IRNS. Our IRNS is far better than GPS. I can't discuss right now. So here it is my point of view that in the medium earth orbit there will be also camera, there will be also, I said that which one, there will be transponder. Clear? Beta abhi nahi pucho. I am not going to answer IRNS is in MEO or what. I can say that it is a GEO, but I will discuss later on. India is a different country, India is near to the latitude, so many things will come. If you do not, I know that generally in my classes so many students, those who have qualified with the high rank, I have seen that what they used to come and they are very silent in my class. They come into class before me, they leave the class after me, and they do not say anything. And if they have any question, they used to ask at the end. They used to write at the side of it. And they are the rankers, I can say. They are the rankers, I can say. And they are the IITians, I can say that. I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. But I said that let me teach you this science and tech in story form, and you remember me forever. That I can say you. So I said that be cool and calm, ask the question in the last. Most of the things will be cleared by me itself, and some of the question will be covered if maybe your curiosity can cover it the later on, because you are asking some question maybe I will take in the after 2 days. Okay. So let me build your base, and one day you will come that my base is complete, but I know everything about the space technology. That day will come. Just wait for few days, just have a patience. I said So perhaps you remember that GPS of USA, Galileo of Europe, and GLONASS means Global Navigational Satellite System of Russia, and BDS means BDAO Satellite System of China. And I am not discussing right now about IRNS. Okay. So beta abhi main nahi kahunga transponder is there in the LEO or not. Okay. I will come on to it. So one idea I have given, this is, I said, this is for LEO and it is for better picture, IRS, yes or not, Indian remote sensing, and this is known as Earth observation satellite, yes or not. It is a satellite which are observing and mapping the earth, making a picture. So IRS is Indian remote sensing satellite, and it is, I said, that in the low earth orbit, understood. And our most of the satellites, most of the satellites in the low earth orbit, because I need more picture. Another point I said that medium earth orbit, here it is, I said that it is a navigation satellite, and in the IRS camera is very much important, here it is. And another, that is a navigation satellite, here it is a camera plus transponder, and for GPS, for positioning, there is at least 4 satellite I need. Yes, perhaps you remember there is one for latitude, another for longitude, for another it is height and correct time and accuracy, 4 satellites, and the satellites should be equipped with camera and transponder, that we can say that at least 4 satellite. And another point I said that if I am talking about geosynchronous earth orbit at a 36,000 kilometer height, you know that it is for telecommunication, there is a broadcasting, weather forecast, everything, clear hai? And there is an importance of, I said that transponder and camera also, clear. My one question is there, so that you can relate with this topic. If I am talking about a temperate grassland, if somebody is asking what is the temperate grassland, so you will say, sir, in the mid latitude region, there is a grassland area where the temperature is moderate, that is known as a temperate grassland. You can say in very simple manner. If I will ask you, where the grassland will have also trees here and there or not? Grassland will have also trees, but we are saying it as a grassland because the most of the, in that area, grasses are more. Therefore I said grassland. If I am saying evergreen forest, equatorial evergreen forest, what does it mean? Equatorial evergreen forest, what does it mean? Means there is a forest, but also there will be grasses on the land. But who is more emphatic? Which is more in number? That is a forest. Therefore evergreen forest we are talking about, yes or not? So the name depends upon in which you are best. So if I am talking about the camera in the low earth orbit, camera, in the medium earth orbit, camera and transponder, and in the GEO there is a transponder plus little camera. The low earth orbit can also use transponder at times if it requires, clear, but the importance is for the camera, understood it? So I have gone through the basic idea of this. Now